Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today. I'm excited because I have a brand new sneaker in, and y'all know how I get when I get a brand new pair of shoes. Now this shoe I picked up today was it's my first ever sneaker of this kind, and I only bought this because I heard so much of y'all on my back. Okay, y'all was on me saying, Snipe, I can't believe you don't own a pair. You gotta get a pair, and it's finally done. It's finally copped. It's finally here live in the studio, and I cannot wait to let y'all see it. I also got something else I want to unbox for y'all, so today should be a pretty dope video. If you are new to my channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're super close to 70,000, and the goal for the rest of the year is to hit 100K before the end of the year. I don't care if it's December 31st. Let's just make that happen. Also, guys, make sure you turn on the notification bell. We always appreciate that when you know these videos coming out, because I pretty much drop a video every single day. You don't want to be left behind on that. Trust me. Trust me. So, guys, today's sponsor of the video is Letty Shop. Now, for my people who don't know what Letty Shop is a great free tool for smart online shopping. What I love about it most is Letty Shops work with over 2,000 online retailers worldwide, and a lot of these are names that you probably heard of, like Best Buy, Walmart, even Nike, guys. So it's pretty lit if you ask me. All right, say me. I love shopping, especially online, and I go to Nike like all the time. If I buy something from Nike, Letty Shops offer me to be getting 0.65% cash back just for normally shopping there. So what I want you guys to do is head over to your app store and check out the Letty Shops mobile app. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is create a login. After you create a login, go to a store that you normally want to shop at. So once you get to that store, you make your usual purchase. The cash back will be automatically tracked to your order and credited to your account. So guys, check out the link down below. I will send you directly over to Letty Shops, and I really think y'all gonna like it, because who don't like getting extra cash back? It's super simple, it's super easy. All you doing is shopping at the same store that you probably already was, but this time you just get an incentive. You get some bread back, and I always love some bread. Now speaking of online shopping, I picked up something from a brand called Bad Monday. These clothes was fire. All right, look, I got a lot of jeans, a lot of bottoms, okay? I'm not gonna hold you. My shirts suck, okay? I got like 100 hoodies too, but my shirts suck. I seen this brand, I wanted to cop some of this, so huge shout out to Bad Monday for sending this over. And I'm not trying to be a creep or nothing, but I think this bag is hard. I know a lot of y'all don't care about the bag or the boxes of the shoes. I actually do. I think the bag is tough. Presentation is a lot, especially when you make videos. So thank y'all for the package, but let's rip this open. As I told y'all, they had a lot of graphic tees over here that I liked, bro, that I really needed, and I'm excited to open these up. I've been waiting for this package for a while, so when I seen it, I ain't gonna hold you. I was a little thirsty to open it up. All right, so I'm gonna just straight get to opening these joints up, and I believe all these should be the right sizes. I'm hoping. The first one, first of all, this material fire, but the first one is the Bad Monday purple vibes, okay? So you see it says Bad Monday right here. Let me move this tag out of the way. It says Bad Monday right here on the front end of the shirt, and the back end of the shirt is just like some graphic print. I just really love like the tie-dye, the purple. I think this can go with like a lot of my sneakers. Y'all know I got hundreds of shoes, so I just be needing like new looks to go with that. You throw them on with like the court purples or whatever you want to do. I love that one. That one was fire. The next one we got is a white tee, or more like a lighter tee, and this one was fire. I love the back. I thought this back was hard. The back was hard. It got the Bad Monday, the umbrella with the rain. It says Bad Monday going across the umbrella, and if you look right here on the chest of the shirt, it got the Bad Monday logo again. Now the quality of these is fire. I really like that. They even got the patch down below on the shirts as well. Small details, man. Small details. I love them. Two shirts out the way. Let me see what the other one was. I know we got a few though. We definitely got a few. I wanted the shorts. They had some fire shorts, but they sold out, unfortunately. So we wasn't able to get those. But this one I liked too. This one was tough. Once we turn to the back, it says no more fake fringe, okay? But it's tough. I like the graphic on it. You flip it back over to the front, and it just says Bad Monday on the chest again. It's simple on the front, but like the back pretty much does a lot, and that's really all I need for real. I don't really do too much. Last but not least, they sent me over a bag, bro. I needed a bag. If y'all watched my last video I did, I was at Vault ATL. I was talking to them because I was thinking about actually buying a Supreme bag, because I don't have any of these bags. And I hate when my pockets are like super bulky. I be having my wallet, gum, my phone, sometimes my charger, my AirPods. It just be so much in my pockets. I hate having them clunky pockets. So I appreciate this. I didn't even ask for this. This just came with it. So hey, huge thank y'all for the bags. I'm definitely gonna be putting some use to this. I don't own any bags like this. I ain't even gonna hold you. The hoodie's all black. It says Bad Monday, and this will definitely go. The first thing I thought about when I seen this colorway was the turbo green Air Jordan 1. That's gonna be fire when I throw that on. But if you guys want to check out Bad Monday, of course I will link them down below in the description. They got some great quality, like this hoodie is great quality as well, and the t-shirts over there are super fire. They might even have more stuff over at the website that you guys would probably like, so make sure you go check them out after the video and tell me if you like it or not. Now for the moment of truth. What we all been waiting for? What's in the box? What sneakers do we have? I already know that's what you're probably wondering. Let's open it up and see. Now, this shoe came super fast. I hit for these when I was in Tampa, and I was very surprised by how fast they came. And to be honest, they're not even my size, bro. I seen they restock. I tried to go for them when they first came out, and I didn't hit for them. So this pair is not even my size, but I was hoping maybe I can like swap for it or something like that. But you seen the box. It is a Yeezy 380. I own no 380s, none whatsoever, not a pair. This is a size 8. I wear 12, bro, so this is 4 size under my normal size. But when I seen a restock, I knew I had to go for it just because they had them more 12s. So I'm like, hey, look, maybe if I go ahead and grab an 8, I can get a 12 out of this some way, somehow. I know people that got their hands in certain places, I don't know. But I picked up the Yeezy 380 pepper joints, man. My first ever Yeezy 380 pickup. I was never a fan. So many people was in my ear, man, telling me that I needed these for whatever reason. I don't know, maybe it's the model. Maybe it's just the silhouette. I'm still not sold. Now I see these in hand. I'm not sold, bro. I'm not sold. I'm not sold, to be honest. It's just, I like the Quantums. You know, I don't think there's nothing wrong with the Quantums. I like the Yeezy 700 V3s. I just don't like these. These just don't look like they better be comfortable, bro. They better be comfortable. So I'm not sure if I want to buy it. I'm sorry. I'm not sure if I want to sell these joints or if I want to keep them or if I want to trade them for. So to be honest, I'm not sure if I want to sell these or if I just want to keep them and just trade up for my size, to be honest. One thing I did notice is the lace system is the same as the 700 V3 Azurus with the Infinity lace lock. That's pretty cool, but I don't know. It's just a lot to warm up to. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a... Woo, bro. Anybody out there owns a pair of 380s and y'all think they're worth keeping, then please comment and let me know down below, because I'm kind of regretting picking these up, and I might sell them. I'm not gonna lie. If y'all looking for a size 8 Yeezy pepper, hit my DM, man. My Instagram is linked down below. Let me know. Because looking at these, bro, I don't know, man. They might have to go. I'm just not feeling the vibe. I'm not feeling the vibe. My thoughts can change, but as of now, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not feeling it. But yes, that's the pickups for today. We got the Yeezy 380 peppers, and of course, we got the huge package over by Bad Monday. Make sure you guys check out Letty Shops if you guys want to buy anything online shopping related. It'll definitely help you to get some of that cash back. Here's the newest pickup once again. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you think about the Yeezy 380 pepper? Is it worth keeping? Should I get my size? Should I let it go? I don't know. It's really up to y'all, because y'all the reason why I'm even trying this shoe out. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I just want to say thank y'all for tuning in once again. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.